Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send money from Cashapp to Cashapp. Basically sending money to the other user. So for that, you need to open your Cashapp on your smartphone. And if you don't have Cashapp on your mobile phone, you just simply have to go to Play Store and download Cashapp on your mobile. So if you want to transfer money to Cashapp to another Cashapp user, so for that, you need to have your bank account linked to your Cashapp. So to link your bank account to your Cashapp, you just have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen, and here you will see this option called linked banks, and click on link debit card. Here you can add your bank account to Cashapp, and after you add your bank account to Cashapp, you just have to click on this bank button at the bottom left corner of mobile screen and just click on add cash. Once you click on it, you can add any amount of cash you want to add to your Cashapp wallet, and just click on it and press add. Then come back to your home screen, and so now all you need to do is to send money to someone is to add the amount you want to send to somebody and just click on pay. And here you will see the list of people in your contact or the people who are using Cashapp, and you can simply select anyone you can send the money, and or you can either search by their name or their user ID and click on pay. And this is how you will transfer money from Cashapp to Cashapp. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.